Alright, so today here I'm working on my old body style 7.3. So it's first thing in the morning here. It was about probably in the 30s last night. And this truck's been having a hard time starting. Basically anytime it gets below 50. So if it's been too cold, I've been having to plug in the block heater. So not starting's got to be one of two things. It's either the glow plugs, which I know I've replaced on this truck when I did the valve cover gaskets, or it's the glow plug relay. So there should be a cover here over the top of the motor, but I'm working on this truck so often that I don't even have one on. I just leave it off all the time. So this right here is the glow plug relay. I'm going to replace this first, start there, and then that'll tell me if I need to get new glow plugs in here or not. So let's disconnect the batteries and then we'll get this changed. Alright, so that's all there is really to this glow plug relay. I'm going to hook the batteries back up and crank her over. Alright, that's up and running good, so I'm glad that was the problem, was that glow plug relay. That's a lot less work than taking the valve cover gaskets off and changing all the glow plugs. This truck hasn't been starting easy since last spring. When it was getting colder, it would have a hard time starting it. I had to plug it in. You know, during the summer it's not a big deal because it's warm out, so the truck would start anyway. But that took me maybe 10 minutes to put on there. And I've been putting that off for so long, but I'm glad that's all it was. And you could tell that was the problem because it started right up. So glow plugs are good, the relay was bad, and pretty easy fix. But as always, we will wait for something else to go wrong and break, especially on these old trucks.